Hey, Matt here, and welcome to another Mob Street video. Now today, I'm going to show you how to install this little beauty right here. This is the LED DOT approved headlight for the TW200 from TAC Industries. So how do you install it? Let me show you. Now when it comes to removing and installing the headlight on the TW200, it's extremely simple. It only takes a few minutes and anybody can do it. The first thing that you're going to want to do is take out this little Phillips screw right here at the bottom of the front cowling. Once you get that removed, pull it off of the two rubber tabs. It's easiest to pull it from the bottom and pull it down. Next, you've got two 10mm bolts that are holding in the stock headlight. Go ahead and remove those. You're not going to reuse those, so you can set those aside or put them in your stash of empty bolts or whatever you do with them. Then you're going to pull the headlight out a little bit and disconnect the 3-prong connector at the back of the headlight. Once you get that off, there's a tiny tab at the bottom of the headlight. So you're going to pull that forward, lift up a little bit, and that tab is what mounts or what holds the headlight in place. The TAC Industries headlight has a little tab or a little slot at the bottom of it for the tab to go into. You put that into place, plug back in your connector, and there are two new bolts that come with the TAC Industry headlight. You install those on the side. Now before I put the cowling back on, I like to see where my headlight is aiming. So I'll do a few adjustments before I reinstall the cowling to make sure everything lines up. And then you just slide the cowling back up into the two rubber grommets. And then it's just the Phillips screw at the bottom and you're done. That's it. That is how simple it is to change out the front headlight on the TW200. Now if you want one of these, you can get them at TAC Industries. I'll put the link in the description down below. Make sure to check that out. And they come in at $99.99. So in the affordable category, they're not the cheapest, but they're also not the most expensive. Plus, it is DOT approved, so you're okay to use it on the road. And it looks pretty dang cool. So make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along because I will be doing a comparison video between the stock headlight and the TAC Industry headlight just to show you how much better it is or if there's even a difference. So I haven't tried it out at night just yet, but I'm looking forward to it. So I hope you found this video informative. If there's any questions or comments, make sure to put those down below and we'll call her there. I'm Matt. This is Mob Street. These are our two TW200s and thanks for watching.